Namaste student, Khushro Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, our topic is advertising and sales promotion. In the subject, our topic is consumer as a social being. So let's start about consumer as a social being. Consumer have different role in purchasing product and services, and these roles can influence their buying behavior. Influence are people who have a relatively large audience in which to tout their beliefs. In the consumer world, influencer can impact the success or failure of a product by using it or selling it. A prosumer is usually a serious hobbyist with similar interests and skills of professional. The prosumer generally use professional or nearly professional equipment and has a relative high disposable income. Marketers often create a persona for their products and service in order to represent the different user types in a target market. Persona is social role. Prosumer is serious, enthusiastic consumer, not professional, earning money, but of similar interest and skills to a generally lower level. Professional or aspiring to such. The target market of prosumer equipment. Influencer, a person who or a thing which influence. The influence of roles on consumer purchasing. Consumer have different roles in purchasing product and services. Here a role is defined as the expected behavior of an individual in a society. These roles can be as part of consumer's family, employment or social status. Among other things, for example, the role of father can be different than the role of mother in purchasing consumer goods. Although there are many different roles that can influence how a consumer behaves, three in particular are presented here: influencers, prosumers, and personas. Influencers are people who have a relatively large audience in which to tout their beliefs. In the consumer world, influencer can impact the success or failure of a product by using it or selling it. A marketer often targets influencers rather than the entire target market because these influencers can alter the behavior of other people. Influencer can be influential buyers, retailers, or people such as journalists or industry professional, among others. Influencers are sometimes ranked according to 6 criteria: market reach, how many people the influencer will connect with; independence, no vested interest in product; frequency of impact; expertise, persuasiveness, and thoughtfulness; the extent to which influence is extended across the decision life cycle. Prosumers. In its most common uses, a prosumer is usually a serious hobbyist with similar interest and skill of professional. For example, the ability and relatively low cost of photography equipment have given rise to many people who are serious about photography but are not usually paid for their work. This is an important role for market to consider, as the prosumer generally use professional or nearly professional equipment and has relatively high disposable income. Other examples of prosumer are found in home improvement and cooking segment. Personas is a social role. Marketers often create a persona of their product or services in order to represent the different user type in a target market. A marketer may decide his product is best suited for a specific demographic and will define the demographic as clearly as possible. For example, social mom might be the target market for minivas. The persona may be created to capture the social mom, perhaps by giving her name or other defining characteristic. A persona simply help a marketer get a clear picture of who will be buying his product. Family has tremendous influence on consumer purchasing. Describe how family dynamics and the family life cycle can influence purchasing decision. One way to understand the consumer behavior of a family is to identify the decision maker for a purchase. Family's influence on buying habits include how parents play a significant role and eventually how a spouse and children play an even more significant role. People go through a family life cycle composed of different stages of purchasing pattern. Life cycle: the useful life of a product or system, the development history of an individual or group in society. Many factors influence purchasing. A consumer family is one of the most significant factors because a family helps shape an individual attitude, the behavior. One way to understand the family's impact on consumer behavior is to identify the decision maker for a purchase. A decision maker for a purchase can be a husband, wife, or even a child, and sometimes decisions are made in collaboration. Often the decision maker change based on the type of purchase, on the size of the purchase. A new refrigerator, for example, is likely to be a joint decision, while a week's grocery might be selected by a single member of the family. Influence of family on consumer behavior. Family influence purchasing in many ways. At first, the influence of parents is significant because of how parents help their children to develop political and religious belief, lifestyle choice, and consumer preference. Most people are who they are because of their parents. A spouse and children, however, can exert an even more significant force on a consumer purchase. Interaction between spouses and the numbers and ages of children play a particular powerful role on buying behavior. These family influence affect how consumers look at purchases more directly than most other social influence on consumer purchasing. Family life cycle. Another aspect of understanding the impact of family on buying behavior is the family life cycle. Most, though certainly not all, individuals and family pass through an orderly sequence of life stages that can be used to understand their purchasing pattern. A typical adult starts in a bachelor stage of being young and single and then moves to being part of married couple without children. Then the married couple transition to full nest stage, where the family has dependent children living at home. Once the children leave, the family enters the empty nest stage. This is typically where older marriage couple working or retire no longer have dependent children living with them. Finally, the individual reaches the solitary survivor stage of being an older single person. Consumer behavior and purchasing is different in each of these stages. Understanding the family life cycle is beneficial for marketers because it helps in defining target customer. Reference group are group that consumer will look to for help in making purchasing decision. Distinction between an opinion leader and reference group. Key takeaway, key points. Reference group are groups that consumer compare themselves to or associate with. They can heavily influence purchasing pattern. Friend clubs, religious group and celebrities can all act as a reference group. If a reference group endorses a product either through user statements about the product, those that look to the group will often purchase that product. Target market, a group of people whose need and preference match the product range of a company and to whom those products are marketed. Opinion leader, the agent who is an active media user and who is interpret the meaning of media message or content for lower end media users. Reference group are groups that consumer compare themselves to or associate with. Reference group are similar to opinion leader in that they can have a profound influence on consumer behavior. Reference group are considered a social influence in consumer purchasing. They are often groups that consumers will look to make purchasing decisions. So, if a reference group endorse a product either through use or statements about the product, those that look to the group will often purchase that product. On the other hand, if a reference group disapproves of a product, those that associate with that group will probably not purchase the product. Type of reference group. Reference group can be either formal or informal. School friends, peers are example of informal reference group. Clubs, association, religious organization are usually formal reference group. Individual can also be reference group, usually known as opinion leader. Additionally, celebrities can be used as a reference group. A company might use a celebrity it feels will match its target market to get that market to purchase its product. For example, a few years ago, Shaquille O'Neal was used to endorse Pepsi because Pepsi felt he represent the spirit of teenager of the time. Influence of reference group. Reference group can and do have a tremendous influence on purchasing decision. This is evident in a number of ways, such as through roles everyone is expected to behave in certain way based on the reference group. We belong to student, act like student. In keeping with this idea, people will often modify their own behavior to coincident with group norms, even those that profess non-conformity are in some way conforming with other people who want the same thing. Reference group communicate through opinion leader who influence what others do, act and why. In the consumer world, this means that is a reference group purchase a product, those that associate with the group likely as well as. Opinion leader. Opinion leader are people consumer look to go to for guidance in making purchase decision, usually someone with more knowledge of the subject. One purchase decision influenced by any number of people or groups. We often look to opinion leaders for help in our consumer decisions. Opinion leaders are usually people who are more knowledgeable about a certain product or service than the average consumer. As such, opinion leaders can shape how a product is viewed. Consumers are constantly seeking out the advice of knowledge friend or who can provide information, give advice or actually make the decision for some product categories. In this session, important question asked in the examination: define consumer as a social being. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In this session, you have any queries, any questions, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.